Welcome to Riverstone Training's YouTube Shorts. Today, we'll provide an introduction to stocks and shares. Let's dive right in. Stocks and shares represent ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you become a shareholder, entitled to a portion of the company's profits and losses. The stock market is where stocks are bought and sold. It's a platform where investors and traders come together to exchange publicly traded company shares. Investing in stocks can offer several benefits. It provides an opportunity to grow your wealth through capital gains and dividends. However, it's important to understand the risks involved. When investing in stocks, research is crucial. Analyze a company's financials, industry trends, and competitive landscape. You may make wise investing decisions with the help of this knowledge. Investors can buy stocks through brokerage accounts or investment platforms. These platforms provide access to stock markets, research tools, and investment guidance. It's important to monitor your stock investments regularly. Stay informed about market conditions, company news, and economic trends that can impact stock prices. To become a successful stock investor, continue learning. Educate yourself about different investing strategies, read financial news, and stay updated with market trends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Riverstone Training for more valuable financial tips. Happy investing!